Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-9 key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a new CR2025 battery, and a small flathead screwdriver. This simple DIY task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you both time and money. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. Let's get started by preparing your key fob for the battery swap. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually on the side. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This blade is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. Next, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. This is important for correct installation. Now, take your new CR2025 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and snap them back together until they are secure. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.